Today, we'll be talking about how to update a FlexApp package from an old version to a newer version of that application. I'm Greg Peck, and I've been implementing end-user computer solutions for the past 20 years. Let me show you how to update an old version of Notepad++ with a newer version. This is a pretty simple application, so I'm going to replace the package rather than upgrade, and I'm going to disable the ability of the application to update. And I'm going to add in the compare plugin to give the end user a little more functionality. As you can see, this user currently has a Notepad++ version 6.9 as a FlexApp assigned to them. It was released back in February of 2016, so it's time to update this package. Here I am on my optimized FlexApp Packaging console. I'm first going to copy my installer files over to the temp folder on the system, and I'm going to start the FlexApp Packager. I'm going to run this as the offline mode, so I'm packaging locally. I'm going to create a package, giving the package the name of Notepad++, giving it a package version of 8.5.3, and a package description, including the name and the version. I'm also going to indicate that I'm adding in the compare plugin. I'm going to uncheck the FlexApp 1 creation and set the package size to 1 gig and click on the create button. We'll wait until the FlexApp Packager says it's okay to start the package, and then we'll wait again until we're told it's okay to install the application. Once we get that okay, we're going to run the installer as an administrator and install the application as normal. Now, the only thing that I'm doing different in this application is I'm going to install it to an alternate path so that I put the version number in the path. And then other than that, I'm just clicking through the installer, turning on the desktop icon, and I'm choosing not to run the application because I want to copy that compare plugin over to the plugins folder for Notepad++. And that's just as simple as easy as dropping it into the plugin folder. And then I'm going to run Notepad++ to make sure that it sees that plugin. And it does. Now, I'm going to finish the package. That'll save it out as a VHDX locally on this system. And then I'm going to edit the package and disable the ability for the package to update. And here I am saving the package. And here we're going to edit the package, which opens it up into like a file explorer view, where we can actually see what's in the package. I'm going to drop down to the C drive into the program files where we installed Notepad++ and simply highlight the updater folder and click delete off the edit button, getting rid of that whole folder, eliminating the ability of the application to update. And we'll save those changes out. And click OK. And now we have an updated FlexApp package in our C FlexApp folder where I decided to save it. We're going to copy that folder and I'm going to drop it on my file share where I store my FlexApps. And now I can go into the Profile Unity console, the inventory management side of things, and import that package. Just simply type in the path to the FlexApp share, click on the refresh button right here, and select the application that we want to import into the inventory. And then click import. We now have Notepad++ 8.5.3 and 6.9 there. So now let's go into the configuration and update the configuration to give certain users the ability to use the newer version of the app. So I have two groups of users. I have an early adopters group and I have a production group. We're going to change the early adopters assignment to use the new version of the app while leaving the production side on the old version for the initial testing. I simply showed there the AD group that was tied to the filter for this. Simple update on the configuration. We then push that configuration out. I'm going to log back into the virtual desktop that I was logged into at the beginning. Same user. And when we log in, we'll see the Profile Unity screen. The user will get logged in and we'll have a Notepad++ application on the user desktop since we chose to enable that. Opening up Notepad++, we'll see that the version is 8.5.3, the one that we updated to, and that the plugin is there. Thanks for watching this Liquidware Advisor installment. If you have any questions, you can contact our team by emailing info@liquidware.com or by visiting liquidware.com for more information.